Over the past few years, more and more solar panels have been installed worldwide. At the same time, many early generation panels are now reaching the end of their life. If treated as ordinary waste, a lot of valuable materials are simply wasted. Glass, metals, and other components can actually be recycled and reused. The idea behind the design is quite simple: less manual work, more automation, and stable operation over the long term. The process starts with feeding. Solar panels are picked up and placed onto the conveyor by robots, making the operation safer, more stable, and less labor-intensive. The panels then move into the positioning section. Here, 3D scanning and vision systems identify panel size, frame, and junction box positions, preparing everything for dismantling. The junction box and aluminum frame are removed automatically at this stage. Different panel sizes are handled without manual adjustment, keeping the process smooth and efficient. After pre-treatment, the panels enter the thermal processing section. With controlled heating, the EVA film softens, making it easier to separate the glass from the inner layers. Next, the single glass layer is automatically removed and sorted by size. This helps preserve glass quality and improves its reuse value. During operation, a pulse dust collection system runs continuously, controlling dust and ensuring stable performance, as well as a cleaner working environment. Next, the remaining materials are processed through the crushing and separation system, where valuable materials are efficiently recovered. After the glass and aluminum frames have been removed, the solar panels are first treated by shredders and cutting crushers, where the internal structure is fully broken down and released. The processed material then moves into the milling system, where it is reduced into smaller and more uniform particles, creating ideal conditions for precise separation. Finally, an airflow separation system is used to accurately extract copper particles based on density differences. The remaining mixed materials are fed into a 3-layer circular vibrating screen, where plastics and silicon powder are separated step by step according to particle size and material characteristics. Overall, this is a well-structured and reliable single-glass solar panel recycling line. If you are planning a solar panel recycling project or would like to learn more about this system, feel free to contact us for more information.